Up next, one effective habit to be highly productive. Have you noticed how many books have been written on highly effective habits to make people more productive? And to be more productive, you may have even tried excessive amounts of caffeine or even purchased the latest organizing binder with mixed results. With over 20 years showing business leaders a systems approach, there's one habit that makes a real difference in accomplishing what matters most. And it's so simple, but it's often completely missing in processes, in your communication, requests, or even when giving directions. So, what is it that's missing? A date. Now, it might sound overly simplistic, but think about it. Does your everyday language sound like this? Let's have lunch. I look forward to hearing from you. Please get back with me ASAP. Sounds interesting. I'll call you. Or I'll host a workshop or webinar soon. Or get back with me when you've reviewed the proposal. Yeah, most people can't and don't work well with vagueness. Be exact to attract results by grounding requests, directives, even communication in a date. Hey, let's have lunch. What's your schedule look like for next Friday at noon? I look forward to hearing from you. Let's schedule a follow-up conversation on Wednesday, March 1st. Does that work for you? Or please get back with me by Friday, June 4th. Or, that sounds interesting. I'll call you by the close of business next Wednesday to get that scheduled. Or I'll host a workshop by March 31st. And how about let's schedule a date to finalize your decision about the proposal. How long will it take you to review it? Oh, a week? Great. Let's look at what's available on our calendars that week. And then you schedule the date. So notice that all of the requests were grounded by a date. And the habit doesn't stop there though. You've got to put things into existence. So round out your dates with an action. Now, remember to log the date into your calendar and send a calendar invitation. Now, when you implement this highly effective habit, you'll become known for being one of those productive and reliable people that others can trust. You'll also notice that you have improved focus, intentionality, and outcomes. I'm Lisa Minnini. Until next week, create a great life. Bye now.